You're walking out to your car on a hot day, and when you get in, you feel like you're stepping into a sauna. The leather seats and steering wheel are scorching hot to the touch, and the dashboard and other parts of the car interior are getting damaged and slowly melting. These problems can easily be put to an end with this sunshade from EcoNour. This sunshade comes in 3 different sizes to make sure that you find one that best suits your windshield. What makes the EcoNour Sunshade better than the old accordion sunshades is its large size and bendable material that helps it take perfect form to the size of any windshield. This rectangle sunshield can be installed horizontally or vertically, whichever side fits your windshield best. This sunshade is made of quality 230T material and features both a silver side and a black side. The installation is very quick and simple. Simply unfold the sunshade and place it into your windshield with the silver side facing outwards. Make sure when you are done to fold down your visors to keep the sunshade in place and prevent it from falling down. After the installation, now you can see firsthand how the sunshade protects your car from the sun and heat. Folding the sunshade back up is very simple. After placing the sunshade back into its case, place it in your desired storage spot until its next use. Save your car and yourself from the heat and order an EcoNour sunshade today.